Hi guys, today we'll be learning how you can set a reminder for a post or for anything on your Instagram account. Start by opening your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, click on the plus or addition sign at the top right corner. Here click on post. For example purposes or to explain you, we'll be selecting a random photo that we need to keep a reminder for. Once you have selected the photo, click on the blue arrow. All you need to do is select the filter, click on the blue arrow again. Once you've done that, click on add reminder. Here all you have to do is keep an event name. Once you've kept an event name, for example, we are taking new post here, click on start time. Here you can decide what is the time that you need to keep a reminder for. Once you have selected your time, click on the tick option and click on tick again. If you want to add a caption, you can. Here we haven't added a caption. And that's it guys. That is how you set a reminder on your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. Have a good day.